Hi. Today I will show you how to create a custom category for games. First of all, go to the Settings and open Classes tab. Then, click the Add Custom Category button. Enter the name. Order. Keep in mind that custom category can have order starting from 100 only. Upload the icon. And click Submit button. Now go to the Games page and change the game category for required games. If category does not contain games, it will be hidden at the client side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.